me see.
Today we are installing a bench.
For my nan, because she loves 30, and every time she comes down every day of the week early to feed the horses, she brings her lions.
Yep, she's learning lines because she is in a play soon. Maybe we'll be able to video that, put that on YouTube as well. So yeah, we're putting a bench in for her because she says she's got nowhere to sit at all when she's down here. So that's what we're doing today. The bench is in. It's actually really comfortable, which is nice. Let me just see if I can put it into the shot. Here it is.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay tuned for our other videos.
Let me show you my country.